All of us at Arapahoe Libraries are excited to welcome you into the newly renovated Castlewood Library. In December of 2018, we embarked on the Castlewood remodel to better meet the needs of our patrons. As we planned the remodel, we kept in mind the function and feel of the building, which has been a beloved part of the community since 1982. Some of you may remember the 2 community meetings that we hosted to hear about your vision for this project. We listened closely to input from patrons and staff to maximize the space and make it feel comfortable, inspiring, and functional. The community identified several priorities for the remodel, including a driver-side accessible outdoor book drop, improved parking lot traffic flow, increased natural light, and a larger makerspace. And good news, we've been able to meet all of these needs. We also added a brightly colored sunshade to the outdoor seating, allowing patrons to better enjoy this outdoor space on sunny days. In addition, we created an enclosed children's area for families, a coffee lounge, more privacy at patron computers, improved visibility of library collections, and more quiet study spaces. Castlewood is now flooded with light from enlarged windows, and the improved interior flow makes it feel more spacious and open. Since Castlewood is situated along a busy road, we wanted to make the exterior design eye-catching. We kept the distinctive silver cone and added brightly colored fins to make the library an easily identifiable destination. Frequent commuters on Arapahoe Road might know it as the building with the cone. If you play Pokemon Go, you may know it as Library Teepee. The cone was actually added in 2002 during a previous remodel. Castlewood Library has been around for a few decades now. Although Castlewood called a few different locations home in the past, in 1980 land was generously donated to Arapahoe Libraries to construct a new facility, which opened in 1982. This went on to become the Castlewood Library that you know and love. There is historical significance to the name Castlewood, including the Castlewood Dam and Lake, built in 1890, Castlewood School, built in 1907, and Castlewood Grange, chartered in 1907. When you enter Castlewood Library now, the first thing you'll notice is the open and welcoming front desk staffed by friendly employees who greet you as you enter the building. Join us as we discover a fresh library experience in this new space. We hope you enjoy it.